So now you can see we learn about constants and we can create color and put it in base color and we have our own color, right? Now metallic. What is the metallic? Let's just change the color to something like this, a little bit black. And for the metallic, as a matter of fact, for all of them, we can just use a constant as well, right? So if we go to palette again, I want to use a constant in here, drag it in here, and put it on metallic, okay? 0 means that it's not metallic at all. But if we change it to 1, no, let's just see the effect. Now you can see it look like a metal and it look metallic, right? And like we have it for metallic, we have the roughness as well. And if you want to create something that is shiny, you can use this roughness, and you if you hover over it, it will tell you. If you put 0 in here, it's like a smooth like a glass, but if you put 1, it will look like a, for example, rock or whatever, right? So let's just use another constant in here, drag and drop it here and connect it to roughness. And now with that you can see that it's fully works like a mirror or glass and you can see it clearly, right? So I want to show you another way of creating these nodes. So for example, if you go to palette, you can see the constant, there is a number beside it. What it means if you hold 1 on your keyboard and hit left click, it will create constant 1. And if you hold 3 and left click, it will create a constant 3 vector for you, right? So bear in mind that we can use shortcut for that. Next thing, this specular, and if you hover over it, it's tell you what it is. Used to scale the current amount of specularity on non-metallic surface, and the value is between 0 and 1. So this specular is for non-metallic. So if we put this metallic constant to 0, for example, and hold 1 on your keyboard, hit leftmost button, you can create another one and put it on specular. And now let us see, and you can see it no more like a leather, right? So if I change this to 1, for example, you can see the effect and you can see it clearly. So the default value is 0.5. If I put the roughness to 1, for example, and metallic to 0, let's just see the effect. Again, it's more like a leather, right? So with that, we can just change the color, for example, to something like this, or whatever color that you want. So now you know all about the base color, the metallic. If you want something metallic, just connect a constant to that metallic and change the value, specular and roughness. Now you know all about it. Next, let's just talk about emissive color.